As I already said that there are 6 types of asset, okay, and I will tell you the nature of every asset class, okay. So first one, I will tell you about properties. So if I talk about property, it will be highly illiquid, means you cannot sell whenever you want, okay, and it's depend on the market. If I talk about volatility, it depend on the market, and if I talk about a return, then it is known to be giving stable return, okay. Now the second asset class is equity. If I talk about liquidity, generally it is liquid, means you can sell anytime whenever you want. And if I talk about volatility, then it is known to be a highly risky instrument, okay, and it also give the higher return because it is higher risky, okay. If I talk about cryptocurrency, then it is a liquid. You can sell your funds whenever you want, and it is highly risky and it gives higher return, okay. And next, if I talk about bonds, then bonds liquidity is depend on the market demand, and if I talk about volatility, then it's also depend on the market demand. If I talk about return, then it is known to be giving stable return, okay. Now if I talk about commodities, then its liquidity depend on market demand, okay, and known to be higher risk if I talk about liquidity. And if I talk about return, then it is known to have a higher return, okay. And cash, you know everything about cash. It is liquid, you can use whenever you want, like emergency fund, like whenever you want to buy something, okay. So these are the 6 asset class. Now you have to make your plan where you want to invest your money. If you need any types of help, then